Hello, welcome to the second session of Microsoft Word. Today, as we were talking about in the previous session, we will be learning about the ribbon menus. So let's begin. The first thing we will be learning is understanding ribbon menu. Second is we will be going over the home ribbon menu. And the third is the insert ribbon menu. So what is ribbon style menu? Ribbon style menu is something that MS Word has produced in order to make it easier to navigate all the features, right? So when you are using Microsoft Word, there are a number of features and functions that are available to make your work easy and that you will be able to do complete your task in time. Now, most of these features, what happens is sometimes you have to look for it because there are so many features that has been integrated. But Microsoft Word has actually made your life simpler in that way. All the features are divided in groups for easier access. Yes. So all the features that are available, specifically, let's say, for example, in terms of font. Now, it's just not the font style and the size that you would want. You would want also, you can make it bold or italicize or underline it or strike through it if you want to. You can also use the superscript and subscript in case you're adding some small words or numbers to it. You can also use a highlight color or even change the font color. Now all of this, it's not in different features or different ribbon menus. It's under one ribbon menu, one feature called the font, and you will find all these functions there, all the commands there. Secondly, icons are present. Now there are different icons available for the different features that are there and the different functions that are there. And the most important thing is instead of a drop down list, it is already there in the ribbon menus. Yes. So think about it when you're scrolling through and if you have number of functions which are available to you, you might just miss out on the one that you are looking for, or you might miss out on something that might make your document much more better. Well, you would not want to do that, right? And also, scrolling through takes a lot of time and effort, and you have to be really attentive to make sure that you're not missing out on the options on the functions. But here, this everything is present on your screen itself. So all the icons are there, and you won't be able to miss out on any functions or features. Also, it's easier to navigate. As I was saying, if you're scrolling through the features and functions or you're looking for it, you're going to be wasting a lot of time instead of completing a task. Well, that should not be happening, right? This ribbon style menu sort of helps you in easily navigating through all the features. Yeah. So let's go over to the home ribbon menu. What is the home ribbon menu? After you land in the blank document, the first ribbon menu that you see is the home ribbon menu. It is the default ribbon menu, and it also includes the most used ribbon groups. One of them is clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and editing. So let us look into that. How do we use all of these functions? So let's go back and we will open the document that we were working on. Now, as you see, when we land on the blank document, this is the ribbon menu. So all of this are the different ribbon menus that are available with Microsoft Word. As I was saying, the default ribbon menu is always the home ribbon menu. Now, the first thing you see is the undo. Let's say you write, yeah. So I've written one sentence and I have highlighted it in this color, but I don't want to use this color. What you can do is you can undo it or redo it. Yeah. So always use undo in case you do not want anything. Also, another thing very good about the undo and redo is, let's say you might think that there are number of things that you might have, tried to undo and something else has got, deleted in that process. Don't fear. What you can do is redo the same and make sure the rest of the things are completely deleted, whatever you want as per your requirement. Second is the clipboard, where you have the copy, cut, copy, paste thing, the functions. Also, you have called something called the format painter. Now, what is format painter is, let's say this is my first sentence. This is my I write this, right? Now, what I will do is, let me change the font of this first sentence into, what font should I pick? So let's say I take Segwo UI, yeah, and I also increase the size to 14. Now, what will you do with Format Painter is you select this sentence. As you see in the clipboard, all the features are now can be used. You select on Format Painter, click on it. You will see a paintbrush here as an icon, so click on it. The next sentence that you want to be changed as per the previous sentence, I'll do it again, sorry. So be careful. You select the sentence, you click onto this paintbrush, and then you click onto the next sentence that you want to be converted as per the previous formatting, and there you go. This is very easy to use in case there are 2 or 3 different types of font styles that you might have used and you want to use a single font style or font size. Always use Format Painter because you do not have to manually change each and every sentence's font or font size or font style or even font color for that matter. Yes. Now, next is the font. This is something I think all of you will already know. Here is your font styles. So different theme fonts which are available. Next are the sizes. Then you have, in case you want to do increase the font size or decrease it like one by one to see how it's looking, I think you should use this button. Yeah. Then you can change a sentence case into lowercase, uppercase, or capitalize each word or do a toggle case. So let's see how this looks. So for example, let's say I select this sentence and I want to make it in uppercase. See, I want to make it in lowercase. The default is always sentence case. Then I can capitalize each word, as you can see. Also, I can make it as a toggle case. So, anytime when you're working with documents and let's say you have written everything in the lowercase and you want some of the words in uppercase, you can do that. In case you want the first word of every sentence to be in uppercase, you can do that as well. So, you can choose from this button, this AA written button, you can select on it, look into the drop down menu, and whichever feature that you like, you will be able to use it. The next is the clear all formatting button. It comes with a capital letter A and also an eraser. In case you want to clear all the formatting changes that you have created and added in your document, you can do the same with the help of this function. We obviously have the bold, italicize, and the underline functions. Along with that, we have the strike through, we have the subscript and the superscript button as well. Next, we have text effects and typography. So this is, you can add different type of text effects, different typography features and all you can add in your document. Next is the highlight color. So if in case you want to highlight certain points in your document, you can do the same. The next is the font color. Then you have the paragraph. We will also be talking about it really descriptively. You have the left, center, right, and justified alignments. You can add bullets, sub bullets as well in your document. You can decrease the indent or increase the indent. You can sort your document, add, show or hide paragraph marks, change the space in the document, line and paragraph spacing, add a shading in your selected paragraph or on the line, on the text. Also add borders to your document. You can use different styles for your headings and for your text. Also, you have the find, replace and selecting buttons. This is all about the home ribbon menu. Now, let us go to the insert ribbon menu. What is insert ribbon menu? Insert ribbon menu includes features which can be added to the document and it consists of 10 groups of related commands. Let's see what are they. First are the pages, table, illustrations, add-ins, media, links, comment, header and footer, text, and symbols. So let's see what insert ribbon menu is all about. Insert ribbon menu is actually when you add something on your document. For example, in case you want to add any picture, icons or shapes or even a smart art or a chart, you can do that with the help of the insert ribbon menu. In case you want to add a blank page or a cover page or a page break, which we will be talking about later, insert ribbon menu comes to help. Adding a table, adding applications. So let's say you want to use either a Grammarly to do a proper grammar check or use Wikipedia just to see the correct information that you have added on your document. You can also use add-ins. Please make sure that you speak to your IT cell first, who can help you out in terms of IT person who will be helping you out with integration of the applications with the help of my add-ins. Next, you also have the online videos that you can add, links that you can add, comments, header, footer, page number, text box, and different types of word art, drop cap, calendar and date and time, signature line, quick parts, also objects, that embedded objects that you can add. The next, you can add an equation and symbols as well. So I was saying that it is just not limited to Microsoft Excel to do your mathematical calculations or show some equations. You can do that with the help of Microsoft Word as well and add the equations and the symbols as per your requirement. So this is all about the two ribbon menus that we have learned today. To learn more, please also click onto this link where you will be able to learn more about the different ribbon menus that are available. And as said in the previous session, please make sure that to earn some extra credits on Microsoft Word and to get a deeper learning, please visit Microsoft Learn and complete a course on Microsoft Word. Thank you.